Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a welcome bot in a Discord server. Discord does not include a built-in welcome bot, so you need to add one manually. First, go to your channel name and click on the drop-down menu. Then click on App Directory. Search for Dyno. And click on Dyno. Click on Add App. Then click on Visit Site. Scroll down and click on Continue. Make sure all the permissions are selected, then click on Authorize. Clear the CAPTCHA. And leave the prefix at default. You can choose your time zone, or you can just click on Next. Select your channel as General and click on Next. In the modules, search for Welcome, and go to Settings. First, enable the module and make sure the message option is toggled on, then click on Update. Go back to your Discord, and as you can see, when someone joins the server, the Dyno bot will automatically send a welcome message. That's it. Discord itself cannot automatically welcome users without a bot, which is why adding and configuring a welcome bot is the most reliable solution. We learned how to add a welcome bot, set permissions, and configure automatic welcome messages for new members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.